Welcome back to the channel, y'all. We are on my 2005 TDI, and I'm gonna cut out this cat and put a straight pipe. So I'm gonna start right here, cut this area out as close as possible. It's not much room there, you know what I mean? And somewhere over here, somewhere. And then put this pipe under there. So I got my little gloves. I got those muffler connectors. I got the U-joint one or whatever. And I got my pipe cutter. Never used this before. So with this over here, I'm busting out the thing. Alright? No idea how to use this, so we're just winging it. Alright, so that little thing didn't work. Gotta pull out the good old sawzall. So here we are. Got that on. I cut a little bit, not enough, so I gotta cut again. But let's just turn it on and see what it sounds like. Let's do that. And of course, I did not put the jack in the right place. So. And where's my key? My key is inside like a dummy. Hold up. All right. Ooh. You can hear the turbo a lot more. That is so cool. So freaking cool. Stinky, but cool. Alright, time to put this pipe on and see what happens. Alright, so we got everything on. Got it hooked up there, that clamp, hooked up there at that clamp. It's 2.5 quarter clamps. Alright, it's gonna be a little bit quieter. Sounds a lot better than it did before. So sounds pretty good. I like it. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See y'all next time.